Now coming on to the diameter. A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. The main point of this diameter is it always passes through the center point of the circle. It always crosses the center point of the circle. Okay. Now, diameter is always the double the size of a radius. Means, if a radius is given and you have to find out the diameter, you have to multiply the number by 2. Making it more clear, in figure 4.24, you can see there is one line segment passing through the center point C. Which is that line segment? That is line segment PM is the diameter of the circle. Remember one thing more, diameter always starts from one point of a circle and ends on the another point of a circle, but the most important is it always crosses the center point of the circle. Coming on to a chord. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Making it clear, in figure 4.24, you can see line segment PA and line segment PB, that is a chord. How? Chord never touches or never crosses the center point of the circle. It is the diameter and only diameter that crosses the center point of the circle. Children, a diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Please refer to figure 4.24 to make yourself more clear. Okay, now coming on to figure 4.25. It is somewhat different. It is having a difference comparing to figure 4.24. Here you can see I had made a darker side of one part of a circle and I had given 2 alphabets to the darker portion, that is P and Q. That is nothing but can be referred as an arc. How you can define? An arc is a portion of circle, right? An arc is a portion of a circle. You can see very well in figure 4.25, as I had said, P and Q are the 2 points, you get the arc. Symbolic form of arc is possible as I had noted in the points. Check it out in figure 4.25. Okay, now I come on to the another part which is very important for you to understand, that is figure 4.26. I had darkened 2 areas of a circle. One you can see it in the form of a triangle and one you can see in the form of a arc or a chord. Okay, now I had written the name a sector and a segment, but till I do not clear it, it will not be able to understand by you. Okay, so coming on to a sector, the definition of it is a sector is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other 2 sides. Check it out in figure 4.26. Right? A sector is in a V shape. Okay, now coming on to the segment. A segment is a region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Again check it out, figure 4.26. You will clearly understand seeing the shape of a sector and segment to be defined, but these both are the interior of the circle. Now ending the notes with my points, the important point is a diameter of a circle, when you divide it into 2 parts, that whole circle will be divided into 2 semicircles. Clear children? Now you can easily solve exercise 4.6.